Hey guys, it's Jack here. I must seem a bit out of breath, I just did a workout. But you see by the title of this video, it's a 2-year anniversary for Ecom Excellence. That's crazy. That is amazing. It's already been 2 years. Like, time goes so fast. Also would have seen from the rest of the title that, yes, this is a sales video. And to celebrate the 2 years and to celebrate, all the support that we've had, I want to thank all of you guys who have been through, the journey with me so far. And, we're still only starting off small, but we're further along in the journey than when I first started. I remember when hitting 1,000 subs was, seemed like a mile away. And now we're almost at 3K. We'll probably get 3K in the next week or so. Yeah, I probably will get some dislikes on this video because it's more of a salesy video. But, I'm just going to be straight up front with you guys on what this is. And it's a celebration for, the 2-year anniversary of Ecom Excellence. I've got something special for you guys for that. Some of you might not like it. Some of you, but a lot of people out there don't like these salesy kinds of videos, and I know myself included, but the only reason I don't like sales videos is because people try and disguise sales videos. They try and make it seem like they are trying to help someone. It's like a secretive kind of sales video, and I don't really like that. So I'm going to be straight up front about it. I really haven't really done this on my channel much unless I'm talking about a release of something. And the title of this video is in regards to my courses that I have. Now, if you guys don't know, I actually run 2 courses now. I have Amazon FBA and I have a dropshipping course. Now, these are both for Aussies, and Amazon FBA will teach you how to sell on Amazon, send your products to the Amazon warehouse. I'll talk to you guys a bit about that in a second. I'll show you guys the course page. And I've also got a dropshipping course for Aussie. So both of them I've done myself. Both of them I've had some success in, and now I'm teaching you the ways that I've learned how to do it, and basically, over time, how to refine them, and then how to start getting results for them. So actually on sale at the moment as well. So I'm going to show you guys right now what that's all about. Like I said, this is going to be very, very straightforward. So the website is ecomexcellence.com.au. Now the links for all of these will be right down below. So right at the top here, this is just the main sales page. This shows you what I have available. So I have Amazon FBA. So this is all in AUD, by the way. So these are both on sale at the moment, Amazon FBA and the dropshipping course. Now you can get the 2 together, but let's just say I wanted to go ahead and have a look at the Amazon course. So Amazon FBA Australia course. Now, if you guys didn't know, we have in Ecom Excellence now about 300 students enrolled. Now this one here, Amazon, we've got probably around 260, 270 students. The rest of those are slowly making up from the dropshipping course, because dropshipping is still new. It's only released a week or 2 ago. You can go ahead here and have a look at the course page if you like. Now, it's got some testimonials from some of my students. You guys might have seen Albas. He was my very, very first student to enroll, and one of the most successful students so far selling on Amazon. So this just tells you a bit about what it's about, what Ecom Excellence is about, a little bit about Amazon selling, and you can have a read through of it. And it's got some other student results as well, and it's got a video which you can watch. I've got the full interview on my YouTube channel where I talk to Albas and we talk about what he did to become successful selling on Amazon and his strategies and whatnot. So it also has down the bottom here a little bit about myself, which you can read, and then all the course curriculum, and you've got something that you can preview. The whole introduction you can actually have a look at without enrolling into anything, and then that just shows you a bit of what's to come as well. Basically the rest of the course here and what you're going to learn. There's a lot involved, a lot of work has been put into it, and it's been updated for 2020 as well. So recently, as of a few months ago, I actually refilmed basically the entire thing and updated all the info, and the results are amazing. I haven't spoken about this much, but I have had some more recent, now this is talking about like a couple of weeks ago, I have had some more recent student results. I won't reveal any names or whatnot, but we have had students who have launched their products during COVID, all this COVID stuff, and one of them actually launched, I think he had around 50 to 100 units in. He sold all his units in his first week. It was like just over 3 grand revenue in his first week. That was amazing. I think his profits were around 40%. So for his first week, he was doing easily like anywhere around 1,500, I think, for in profit, which was amazing. And and this is in the Aussie market as well. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, go ahead and check it out. I'll link both courses down below as well, but I'll quickly show you about the dropshipping course too. So this is the dropshipping course. Now we have had some student results come in already. Now one of them being that they got the course basically when it first released on that Monday a couple of weeks ago, and then within that week, let's just say within 3 or 4 days, they had launched their store and they were up at about $300 in revenue for their store for that week, and that was amazing. So that's besides the point. Basically, you can come and have a look at this course page. Again, it tells you a little bit about me, how I got into dropshipping, and then these are some of my results, and these are all on the Aussie market as well. So if you want to learn more about that, you can read all about this and how I've launched products in COVID. I'm still launching products in COVID as well. If you guys keep up to date with me on Instagram, I'll most likely be posting all of these, posting this video on all my social media links anyway, because I'm going to be upfront about it and be upfront about, that this is a sales video. So again, you've got a preview of what this is all about. You can check out all of this without enrolling, and then the rest of the course, basically. There's a lot of effort being put into this as well. And then again, it's on sale. This is AUD as well. So if you are interested, go ahead and check out these sites. Like I said, I'm going to be putting all the links down below as well. If you have any questions, I've got my social links down below as well. But like I said, I'm just going to be upfront about this. I'm not going to try and hide it away and pretend that I'm trying to not be salesy, but then really underneath it all, I'm trying to be salesy. I'm going to go ahead and straight and say, hey, both of these courses are on sale, $3.99 AUD at the moment for both of them, or you can get both in the one. But the most popular one so far has definitely been the Amazon FBA, just because I think it's a little bit more of an easier process to set up, and it is really good for a long term. Now, I'm not knocking dropshipping and all dropshipping. They're both great. I just think Amazon FBA is more appealing to a lot of people, especially to a lot of Aussies, because they like brand building. They like having a structured, more of an easily structured business, especially for beginners as well. But if you are interested in the dropshipping one, just let me know. If you have any questions about either of them, though, shoot me a DM or comment on this video. I'm most likely going to get some dislikes on this video, but that's fine. That's fine by me. I have, there's a lot of people out there who are interested and want to learn about this stuff, and they want to talk to me about it. But I'm just going to be straight up about what I'm talking about and what I'm offering you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. But apart from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're staying safe. I'll see you guys very, very soon.